Hey, Mama. You like your banana? It's a good banana.
She's like, Mom, you're embarrassed.
Show Daddy that you like the banana.
What's up?
Say, I like my banana. I like my banana. Bananas are good.
I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
Tell Daddy you were in your walker. Tell Daddy I was in my walker. And I took some steps forward and a lot of steps backwards.
Switch the camera over here.
What happened? Banana. Banana.
She's staring at me.
Banana. It's okay. One day you'll be able to eat Mama and Daddy food. Right now it's just fruit and veggies for you. And milk. Fruit and veggies for Sophia. Don't drop it. Say ma, mama. Say mama. 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 That feels good on your teeth, Sophia? I love you, Mama.